And if you keep on asking, I'll just keep saying so. This isn't what I wanted, it is
my channel. So today's video is a very fun video in my opinion. It is a cloth and paper subscription box haul. So I haven't been filming these monthly just because we were gone home for Christmas and then I just got busy around the holiday. So I think these are 2 months combined, and then I have one for December or January that's sitting at my P.O. box that I need to go pick up. But let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take everything out and then we can go through everything. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we can go through all the good fun stuff. So the first thing that is in here is this cloth and paper notepad. It's like, it looks like a little callback message notepad, and it's gonna look super cute on my desk. The next thing I see are some sticky notes. They're just these lined sticky notes. I'm not sure if y'all can see because of the glare, but it just looks like a little notepad with the lines. And I like to keep these in my planner. They're really good quality and they're great for quick note taking. The next notepad I have in here is Fall/Winter 2000 Notes issue number 1 volume 2. Little sticky note set. Super cute once again and great to keep in my planner. These are really interesting. I saw them on some people's Instagram and they say inbox, goals, and memo. And I'm actually going to use these in my personal planner. I'm going to get like a little card holder and put these in there, and then different things that I need to be reminded of throughout the week. And I'll do that, and it comes with quite a few, so I can change them out either once a week or every other week, just depending on that. Then we have this notepad. It says Date and Memo. Also great for quick note taking. Their stuff is absolutely stunning and it is such nice quality, and it's like a very nice cardstock. Really nice. Then we have a little pen in here and it says, I can't pronounce this name. This is cool. I've never had a pen like this, and it is a little fountain pen, I believe. Never had one of these, so I'm excited to set it up and see how it writes, or see if I can write with it. I am left-handed, so pens like this I have a really hard time writing with. Then we just have some little note cards in here. Then these were around Christmas. I think there was a third one, but I took it out. But it just says a gift shopping tracker, which this is good for birthdays and just all year round. So I will probably put a few of these in my planner. Then this is a thank you card. Once again, I will put this in my planner for all year round, just for birthdays and then Christmas and just stuff like that, so I can say thanks to everybody. Then here's some cards. I have a little simplicity one that I would like to keep in my planner. This is just a thank you card for ordering. A little habit tracker, word of the year. I am going to put this in my planner. I'm going to hole punch it, probably laminate it, and write my word of the year. My word of the year is consistency. If y'all have watched my Planner Monday video, you would have heard me talk about that. And then I have several of these, but I always love sticking them in my planner. This is just a receipt. Another one of these. Oh, I love this card. It says, I am enough. And then, ooh, this is like super soft. It's like almost a velvet. And it says J'adore. I think that's how you say it. Probably butchered that, but it's super cute and it's matte black. Then we have this pretty rose gold pen. Super nice. Next, we have these paper clips. You can never have enough paper clips. They're just, let me take them out. They're just these super cute triangles, and I love that they're like a matte black. And the last thing in here is these little file folders, which I'm really excited about. I'm going to put stickers in them and just some random receipts. I'm probably going to put this one in my purse to keep the receipts in. This one I'm going to put some stickers in, and I'm not sure what, probably some extra inserts in case I ever need them, like note page inserts. And I'll probably put this in my backpack, so if I ever need some more, I can just take them out of here and put them in, because I believe these will fit. Let's see. It'll fit a half letter page in here because I believe that's what this side is. Alrighty guys, that was it for today's video. If you want to see more cloth and paper subscription box hauls, let me know in the comments down below. And if you have a planner monthly subscription, let me know what it is because I definitely want to try it out. I love trying out new planner supplies. I love cloth and paper stuff. It's so chic. It's a little on the pricey side, but I'm never disappointed with what I get. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.